Hey friends, today we are going to work on decoding and reading multisyllabic spellings of words with the sounds j, sh, and k. These are the three rules that we are going to be following as we are learning about the sounds that these three letters can make. The sound J or j can be spelled with a G, a J, or a DGE at the end of the word. The sound S can also be spelled with a C, with just an S, or with two S's. The sound K can be spelled with a C, with a K, with a CK, or a CH combination. I'm going to be referring to these three rules all this week as we work through these spellings of these sounds. I have a list of 6 phrases that we are going to practice blending these sounds, and then we're going to identify which letter combinations or which letters form those sounds. The first example I have is sparkling gem. J, j. Gem. If I look on my list of 3 rules over here, which letter makes the J sound as in a J? The G in gem makes this sound. The next pair of words says school choir. K, k, k. Sounds like a K. What 2 letters make the K sound? If you said CH, then you were correct. I would like you to pause this video, and then with your learning guide, I would like you to practice with the following 4 phrases of words: detective badge, passenger jet, breakfast cereal, and gentle kick. And I would like you to see if you can identify or find which letters make the 3 sounds J, S, and K. Ready? Here we go. Let's check how you did. In the word detective badge, I hear the J, J sound at the end of the word with the 3 letters D, G, E. In the word jet, I hear the same sound, J, J, but now it is only spelled with a J. See how a J sound can be made with the 3 letters and then just the single J letter? The next pair of words I have is breakfast cereal. The letter C here makes the S sound. The next pair of words is gentle kick. The 2 letters CK make the K sound. You guys have done a great job today in practicing to identify which letters make the different sounds J, S, and K. What I would like you to do with your learning guide is to go ahead and complete page 169. You guys did a great job today.